King Tut. Right.
Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to your fourth C++ tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make use of basic arithmetic in Java. So what is basic arithmetic? It's literally plus minus, multiplication and division. And you guys are taught in elementary school to make use of it, and pretty sure they drilled you to death for that. They did it to me. So, um, Java makes use of these basic arithmetic, and it also follows the order of operation. So let's actually clear this here. This is from the last video recording I did, and I forgot to set up my audio. So Java uses follows the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So the ones that we learn in middle school, Java follows it. So if you manage to add two numbers inside the parentheses and multiply it by some number and subtract by another number, it would do the parentheses first, then multiply it, and then subtract it. All right, so first of all, we need to put in system.out.println, and just press escape here. And let's start with just numbers. So 3 and then shift, and to the right of backspace, you're going to see an equal sign. You press that, and it gets you the plus sign. And you just, let's do 3 plus 2. Let's do 3 minus 2, and then 3 times 2, and 3 divided by 2. And let's see each of these outputs. So when we run this program, it should get us 5. And it got us 5 as we expected. And let's do subtraction. So the minus sign is next to the equal sign, and there's no shift. So let's build it, and it's 1. All right, let's do multiplication. So you press shift 8, and you run this program, and you should get a 6, and it got a 6. And then let's do division, which is a /, and that / is the left of shift, the right shift key. So let's run this program again. And instead of getting a decimal number, it got us 1. And the reason for this here is we put in a whole number. So what Java will do, it's gonna round the results down. So to remedy that, we put to the left of the /, it's a period, it's a dot. So we press that dot and we put 0, and we do the same thing for the 2. And when we run this program, it should get us 1.5, which it did. So you're not limited to just numbers. You could add, subtract, multiply, and divide with the variables. So let's do x plus y, and let's run this program. And it got us 5 because the value of x is 2 and y is equals to 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And let's subtract and run this program. It's -1, it's -1 because 2 minus 3 gets us a negative number. And let's make use of z and a variable. So z times a. Let's run this program. and you got this crazy decimal number. Let's divide it, and let's run it again. And it got us this crazy decimal too. Let's make use of the order of operations so that way I'm not lying. So Java follows the order of operation. And let's times it by 5. And then let's add x. So let's run this program. All right, so let's pull up a calculator. That way I'm not, to prove it to you that I'm not making this up. So 1.5 plus 2.6, that equals 4.1. And then let's times it by 5, 20.5, and then let's add it with x, and it gets us 22.5. And the reason why it gets us this number as opposed to this exact number is because Java does, every programming language do approximations. You're not just limited to int and double. You could actually add char and string. So let's do that. So letter plus word. And let's run this program again. And as you see here, it gets us Q, king tut, blah, blah, blah. So it's mixed, it's fused together. You could actually add text with word. So you press a plus sign. Let's just put tutorial, blah, blah, blah. Let's do that. So king tut, blah, blah, blah. And then you put this here, becomes tutorial, blah, blah, blah. We just misspelled, but don't worry about it. I'm showing you that you could actually add these two texts. You could add a string and a bunch of texts. Alright, so hopefully this video is helpful to you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you really like my video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're on YouTube, BitChute, or BitTube, please subscribe to my channel. If you're on Vlare, please follow my channel. If you're on Library, please follow my channel and download my video. And I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Bye!